Hello students, welcome to our next session, EVS lesson 2, My Body. Already in the first 3 sessions we explained and understood that our body parts, mainly external parts, internal parts and our sense organs. Let me confirm that you learned the lesson and read the lesson and understood also. So let us we go to next exercise, new words. Exercise number 1, new words. Number 1, machine, M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. Number 2, external, E-X-T-E-R-N-A-L, external. Number 3, I-N-T-E-R-N-A-L, internal, internal. Number 4, fingers, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. Number 5, thigh, T-H-I-G-H, thigh. Number 6, M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T-S, movements, movements. Number 7, H-E-A-R-T, heart. Number 8, L-U-N-G-S, lungs. Number 9, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Number 10, D-I-G-E-S-T, digest, digest. Number 11, bones, B-O-N-E-S, bones. Number 12, M-U-S-C-L-E-S, muscles. Number 13, sense, S-C-N-S-E, sense, O-R-G-A-N-S, organs, sense organs. We'll read once again, children. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine, machine. E-X-T-E-R-N-A-L, external, external. I-N-T-E-R-N-A-L, internal, internal. F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers, fingers. T-H-I-G-H, thigh, thigh. M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T-S, movements, movements. H-E-A-R-T, heart. L-U-N-G-S, lungs. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach, stomach. D-I-G-E-S-T, digest, digest. Next, B-O-N-E-S, bones. Next, M-U-S-C-L-E-S, muscles, muscles. Last one, S-E-N-S-E, sense, organs, organs. Sense organs. Sense organs. These are the new words, children. We'll go to the next exercise. Next exercise, children. State, S-T-A-T-E, state the following, F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G, following statements, S-T-A-T-E-M-E-N-T-S, statements as true or false, T-R-U-E, true, or F-A-L-S-E, false. Page number 95. The statement is, first one, teeth, T-E-E-T-H, teeth, help us, H-E-L-P, help us to chew our food, chew our food. Second one, second statement is, our mouth, O-U-R, our, M-O-U-T-H, mouth, is not, N-O-T, not, an external, E-X-T-E-R-N-A-L, external part of our body. Our body, bracket. Then third one, our mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth, has two lips and tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue, bracket. Number 4, each leg, E-A-C-H, each leg in our body, has, H-A-S, has a thigh, T-H-I-G-H, thigh, comma, knee, K-N-E, knee, and a foot, bracket. We'll do the exercise, children. Read the question. State the following statements as true or false. Page number 95. Okay. First sentence is, teeth help us to chew our food. Is it true or false, children? We are chewing our food with the help of our teeth. So, the statement is correct. We are chewing our food with our teeth. Okay. Teeth help us to chew our food. True. Isn't it, children? We are chewing our food with the help of our teeth. Okay. Second statement. Our mouth is not an external part of our body. Our mouth is not an external. External means you can see our body parts. So, external means you can see. Can you see our mouth? Yes, we can see. So, the statement is wrong. We should write false. F-A-L-S-E, false. The statement is false. Okay. Then third one. Our mouth has two lips and tongue. Our mouth has two lips and tongue. Our mouth has how many lips, children? Upper lip and lower lip and a tongue. The correct or wrong, children? The statement is true. The statement is true. Then last statement. Each leg in our body has a thigh, knee and a foot. Each leg has a thigh, knee and a foot. Understood, children? Correct or Lena's statement is true. This is the second exercise, children. The third exercise is page number 96. Tick the internal parts of our body and cross the external parts. Here pictures are, first one is heart, second one is mouth, third one is stomach and fourth one is hands. What is the first picture, children? Is it internal part or external part? Children say it is an internal part. So put the tick there. Put the tick there. Then second one is mouth. Children, you say mouth is in an external or internal part? That is external part. So what you should do? You should put the cross. Put the cross. Third picture is stomach. Can you see the stomach, children? No. So that is an internal part of our body. So stomach is internal part. So we should put the tick. Put the tick. Last one is hands. Hands are internal parts or external parts. You can see our hands. So that is an external parts. Put the cross there. Put the cross. This is the third exercise, children. Exercise number 4. Write down which sense organ is used in each case. Page number 97. You can see some pictures here. First picture is ice cream. One girl is tasting ice cream, telephone, tree and a delicious cake. 4 options are there. Then first question is, I taste, T-A-S-T, taste an ice cream with my dash. Look here, children. I taste an ice cream with my dash. Say the answer. With my tongue. I am tasting with my tongue. Okay. Then second one. I hear the telephone, T-L-E-P-H-O-N-E, telephone ring with my dash. Children, listen. I hear the telephone ring with my what? With my ears. With my ears. E-A-R-S, ears. I hear the telephone ring with my ears. Then number 3. I feel the rough bark, R-O-U-G-H, rough bark of a tree with my dash. Listen, children. I feel the rough bark of a tree with my. What did you understand, children? If you are scratching the tree, how you feel? You are feeling roughness. It was not smooth. You are feeling roughness. Feeling is which sense, children? That is our skin. That is our skin. Then next number 4. I sense, S-E-N-S-E, sense the smell of a freshly, F-R-E-S-H-L-Y, freshly baked cake, B-A-K-E-D, baked cake, C-A-K-E, cake, with my dash. Read the sentence, children. I sense the smell of a freshly baked cake with my which sense organ will use? A delicious and tasty freshly cake. So our nose. Isn't it, children? I sense the smell of a freshly baked cake with my nose. Okay? Come to next exercise. Number 5. Tick the correct statement. Put a cross next to the wrong statement. Page number 98. The first statement is we think, T-H-I-N-K, think with, W-I-T-H, with our lungs, column. Look here, children. First statement is we think with our lungs. Is it correct or not? We think with our brain. Lungs, what works do? It is breathing. So, we think with our lungs is a wrong statement. So, put the cross there. Then second one. Our brain, or B-R-A-I-N, brain controls, C-O-N-T-R-O-L-S, controls all our body movements. Column. Read, children. Our brain controls all our body movements. Who is controlling? It's correct only, no? Our brain is controlling our movements, thinking and working, everything. So, the statement is correct. Put the tick there. Then number 3. Our toes, T-O-E-S, toes are present, P-R-E-S-E-N-T, present on our hands, column. Look here, children. Our toes are present on our hands. Where do we see the toes, children? On our feet. What are there on the hands? Fingers and thumb. So, the statement is wrong. Put the cross here. Okay. Then number 4. Stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach helps us to digest food. Box. See the statement, children. Stomach helps us to digest our food. Correct only, no? Yeah, put the tick here. Our stomach only digest our food. Then number 5. Muscles, M-U-S-C-L-E-S, muscles help our bones to move. Read the question, children, once. Muscles help our bones to move. Which is helping? Muscles only. So, put the tick here. The correct statement, put the tick here. So, now we completed 5 exercises, children. You write in your class workbook, homework book also, and learn. Thank you, children.